Alright, now we're about set to put the box onto the trailer. So I have everything ready and the trailer is ready. I just got to wait for some friends to show up and give me a hand lifting this thing and putting it on the trailer. So let me show you what the trailer looks like. Let me show you what I did to the box to get it onto the trailer, and one other little touch that I did that I don't think I showed on any previous video. So hang in there. So we have everything ready, and the trailer is now sitting on its wheels. So axle is set and holes are drilled, and we are just about ready. I also installed the coupler, which I couldn't remember the name of the stupid thing, and I got a jack, 1,000-pound jack. Might be a little much, but that's actually a nice sturdy jack. I'm thinking about another one put on the other trailer. The one that's on there now is a piece of crap. So to get the box ready, I installed some handles here on the side, front and back on both sides, and that will help. So when we get ready, we'll just grab a hold of that, lift up, and carry it right onto the trailer itself. And then on the bottom, put a couple of blocks here. This will get me the distance that I need on the back of the trailer. So we'll set it down, and the frame will touch the back side of this. That puts it right in the right spot, front and back, and we should be good to go. So I got two of those just to align the box on the trailer, so I don't have it too far forward and I don't have it too far back. So the other addition that I put on the back for the cabinet doors were the handles. So I just cut some pieces 4 inches long. I also beveled the top edge here, or the bottom edge, 45 degrees, so it makes a nice pull. And I cut it at, I think, about 1/2 inch, maybe just a little bit longer, so when the cabinet is down, it is level with the top of the counter. So with all the cabinets down, you still have a nice counter, so I can still put stuff out here, and everything is level, so the cabinets are not up sitting like this and they're not tilted this way. So that was what I did, and I just screw fasten them here with a couple of screws on each one, and it makes a nice pull for each cabinet door. And I'll probably do that same thing on the inside once we get the cabinets going for that. So the next time you see us, we are going to be lifting this box and setting it on the trailer. I will remove the cooler and these drawers to lighten it up, because it is somewhat heavy right now. So now we have the box setting on the trailer, and it sets perfect. Just the way I envisioned it. Very nice. So now I can move it in and out of the garage when I need to. I still have one more stabilizer jack to put on this side as soon as it arrives, and then that section will be done. Then we can start on some more interior work. Nice thing about the teardrops is they fit right in the garage. So easy. So I've got plenty of space. I can still work around this, move tools in and out, and have access all the way around it. Awesome. Alright, on with the build. Phew, we got that done. Alright, just a short, sweet video of installing the box onto the trailer frame. You don't necessarily have to build the teardrop on the frame itself. I used a couple of camping tables and got so far, and then once the trailer was complete, then I put it on the box. So that worked for me, and worked great. So anyway, hope you like the looks of it. I think the lines are pleasing, and can't wait till it's totally finished. Hook it up to my car and take it for a tow. So it's going to be light enough that I can tow it with a Buick Encore. So that's that. Next we still have some more cabinetry that I want to put in the back, and I'm also thinking about a little cubby storage here in the front. So we'll get those installed, then we'll get the inside totally varnished, and then we'll start putting on the ceiling. Not sure how far I'm going to get before the snow flies. It's almost mid-October, so if the weather holds out, then we'll keep building. If not, we'll get as much done as we can before the snow flies and lock it up. So, until next time, stay tuned.